Step-by-step GrowMax RO filter install. In this video, we will be showing you a mains water connection for the RO system using a few additional pieces, a male speed-fit cylinder connector and a speed-fit straight tap connector. Find a suitable place to mount your filter system. Connect together the male to female threaded connector and ball valve that come with the system. We recommend using some PTFE tape to reduce the risk of leaks over the lifetime of the system. To connect your RO filter to mains water, use a male speed-fit cylinder connector and a speed-fit straight tap connector. Fit the ball valve to the mains water pipe. Make sure you use a wrench to tighten up all your fittings adequately. Next, use some hot water to soften the white intake tube. Then connect it to the ball valve and tighten the fastening using the ball valve nut. Push the white inlet tube into the intake collet on the right-hand side of the sediment filter. Give it a small pull to make sure that the tube is securely fitted into the filter. Connect the blue pure water tube to the automatic shut-off valve on top of the unit. Connect the black wastewater tube to the outlet flow restrictor on the right-hand side of the unit. Ensure the black tube leads to a suitable drainage point. Attach the shut-off valve to the blue pure water tube. In this setup, we have added a float valve accessory, which will activate when your water reservoir is full, shutting off the flow of water from the RO filter. Turn on your water supply and you're all done. Remember to watch our other video for alternate setup methods. For more advice, give us a call or head over to our website.